So we're about to head out to the big farm, and we had to do our chores before we left, and Kenny's filling up some fresh cedar in the laying box, and the chickens
We got an egg this morning.
had some ice in their bucket, and we broke that. But what we wanted to show you was we got an egg. That's 2 for the freeloaders. 2 ButtNuggets. They're not going to go free range today because it's cold and nobody's going to be here to supervise, and they go visit the neighbors. So the chickens have food in their buckets. The ice has been broke in their water.
I don't know where we're going.
Kitty put shavings in the laying box, and we're about to head to the big farm where we will continue to film when we get there. But good job, girls, on the egg. I think it was Bam's egg. She was back where we found it when we came in, so good job, Bam. All right, guys, we'll see you directly.